Hello everyone. These Pinterest pictures are an inspiration that guided me into a collaboration that I am participating in. It is very unique, different, interesting, and was a whole lot of fun to put together. But before we get to that, let me first properly introduce myself. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button. Click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. I am participating in the Kitchen Utensils Tablescape collaboration. And I must say, when I heard Utensil Tablescape, I was thrown off and could not figure out how to put this together. So of course I went to Pinterest and I entered in utensils styling. And of course, they're more than just forks, spoons, and knives. They are our cooking utensils. So with that, these inspirations, I was able to put together my utensil tablescape. But before we get to it, let me share with you the lovely ladies that are hosting and co-hosting. We have our Diva Dynasty team with our host, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Cynthia of Cynthia, She's So Blessed. Alberta of Mysterious Alberta, Lynn of Lynn's Lifestyle Living, and Geraldine of Diva Decorating. I will have a link to each of the young ladies' channels listed in the description box below, as well as the playlist to this collaboration. Now let's get started, and I hope you enjoy.